beautiful people. Good morning, beautiful people. Good morning, guys. Sa lahat ng maghahanap ng pagkakitaan, guys. Habang naglalaro, ito siya, guys. I discovered siguro ilang months na, guys, yung nakalipas. Nag-enjoy ka na, kumikita ka pa, guys. Pag naipon niyo yung coins, guys, pwede niyo siyang makash out gamit ang PayPal or any bank account, guys. Pwede siya, guys. And also yung US dollar, guys, pwede nyo siyang ma-withdraw. Hindi nga siya ganun kalakihan, guys, pero pag naipon nyo siya, guys, pwede siyang ma-convert sa pera natin, guys. Ayan, dito, guys, sa gilid. Nakukuha mo siya everyday, guys. Kapag, ayan, katulad niyan, yung play games. Pag naka 10 games ka, makukuha mo yung 60 coins. Pag 300 fruits, 30 coins sa heart, guys. Kapag naka 2, meron kang 30, guys. Pag na-complete mo yung task dun sa heart, guys. And also, the 30 minutes online, meron ka rin, guys, makukuha na 20 coins. Yun siya, guys. If you want to play this game, guys, you can use my code. Using my code, yun, guys, siya. 227 That is my code. And you will earn 600 coin for referral and $0.3, guys. Kung masipag kang mag-refer ba, guys? Kung maraming gusto mag-laro, guys, pwede mo siyang magamit. Pwede mo siyang ma-withdraw, and sa coins, guys, bago mo siya ma-withdraw, dapat 1,000 coins, and sa dollar naman, guys, pwede ng I think $5, guys. Pero meron siyang way, guys, para ma-withdraw mo siya. Hindi siya ganun kadaling mag-withdraw. Meron siyang mga tasks bago mo siya ma-withdraw. Ganun rin din sa coins, guys. Pero subukan na siya, guys. Nag-earn na ako dyan, guys. And yun lang, guys. If you want to play the fruit boom, ayun yung referral ID ko, guys. You can use my referral ID. Thank you for watching, guys, and I love you all.